Okay, yesterday, well, hello. Yesterday we talked about finding factors and we used a t-chart to find factors. Today what we're going to do is find the factors of two different numbers and find what they have in common. So we're going to look for what factors they have in common. So, first thing I want you to do on your notes is write down the numbers 16 and 12. And we're going to find the factors for both of these numbers, and then we're going to find out which ones they have in common. So I'll do my t-chart under 16. I'll do my t-chart under 12. And remember, on the left side of our t-chart, we just put the numbers 1 through 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write a little smaller over here. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so now what we're going to look for is the numbers that multiply, just like we did yesterday. So I know 1 times 16 equals 16. And I'm going to stick over here on the 16 one. I know 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 8 times. So 2 times 8 is 16. If I count by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 3 does not go into 18. If I count by fours, 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 does go in there. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 will not go in. 5, 10, 15, 20. 6 will not go in. 6, 12, 18. 7 and 8 we already did up there. 9, 10. So our factors of 16 are 1. Actually, I'm going to circle those in a different color. 1, 2, 8, 16, and 4. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing for 12. We're going to find the factors of 12. I know 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Goes in there 6 times. 3 goes into 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 goes in 4 times, or 3 times 4 is 12. And you see here we have a repeat. If we have a 4 here and a 4 here, we know we are done. So my factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So now let's compare those two factors and find some common factors. Okay, so let's look down here. We're going to look at the factors of 16 and 12 and see which ones they had in common. So for 16, our common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 were our factors. And for 12, our factors were 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now let's see which ones we have in common for them. Well, they both have a 1. They both have a 2. They do not both have a 3, so we'll cross that out. They both have a 4. They do not both have a 6 or 8, so we can cross out 6 and 8. And they both also don't have a 12 or 16. So our common factors are 1, 2, and 4. Now let's go ahead and put one on the screen for you to try. Okay, so the two numbers I want you to find the common factors of are 15 and 24. So remember, first you need to find the factors of each using a t-chart, and then find out which ones they have in common. Go ahead and pause the video now, try to find the common factors of these two numbers, and on pause to see if you get it correct. Okay, so let's see how you did here. For 15, I found my factors were 1, 3, 5, and 15. And for 24, I found my factors were 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Lots of factors in 24. It's crazy. So let's see which ones they had in common. Actually, I'm going to go to a blue. A light blue. Okay. They both had 1. So that was the first common factor. They did not both have a 2. They both had a 3. They do not both have a 4. They do not both have a 5. They do not both have a 6, 8, 15, 12, or 24. So the only common factors of 15 and 24 were 1 and 3. Alright, hopefully you got that right. If you're still a little confused, rewatch it again, try it again, and we will go over some of these tomorrow in class. Have a great evening. Bye.